Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp noodles recipe, easy method. Gather shrimp, noodles, garlic, soy sauce, oil, vegetables, and a wok or large pan. Heat the pan until very hot, then sear shrimp briefly and set aside. Stir-fry aromatics, toss in noodles, add sauce, then combine shrimp to finish. I keep tips simple so you can cook confidently and enjoy a flavorful meal fast. Start by assembling ingredients and prepping everything at once. That helps the cooking flow. Peel and devine shrimp, chop garlic, and slice vegetables into thin, quick-cooking pieces. Cook noodles just shy of done so they finish in the pan and soak up sauce. Measure soy and oyster sauces, and have a little sugar or lime on hand for balance. This mise-en-place saves time and prevents overcooking. Use a hot pan, a little oil, and quick motions to keep textures right. Sear shrimp until nearly opaque, then remove to avoid overcooking while you finish the noodles. Stir-fry garlic and veggies briefly, add noodles and sauces, then return shrimp and toss to coat. Finish with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lime, or sliced scallions for brightness. Serve immediately for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.